alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Last class we were started a new lesson about Gandhiji, right? Gandhiji, he was working as a whatever work he has having, everything he will do in his do himself. He never expect anyone to do his work and all like that. How he never think that he is a great person, and he will he if he thought means he will get more servants and all, then even he won't like that one. Isn't whatever work he is having, that everything he himself only will do. So others work also he will do, like he never hesitate to do any work. So whatever the things Gandhiji was doing in his early life, little glimpse of that is only in this lesson. Okay, let's continue the lesson. Okay ma, take page number 107. First para we finished. Second para you have to write date on the up of it. 3/3/2021 Budhwar. Write on the up of it and listen carefully while ma'am is reading. You should also read with me. Okay. जब आश्रम का निर्माण हो रहा था उस समय वहाँ आने वाले कुछ मेहमानों को तंबुओं में सोना पड़ता था. मीन्स व्हेन द आश्रम साबरमती आश्रम was in its construction work, what happened means those who are coming, mehmano means guest, those who are coming there, mehmano guest. So those who are coming there, they have to sleep on the tents because their construction work is going on. So they want to stay in the tents and all. So एक नवागत को पता नहीं था कि अपना बिस्तर कहाँ रखना चाहिए. One new person came and he don't know that where he has to keep the bed of him. So इसलिए उसने बिस्तर को लपेट कर रख दिया. So he folded it and kept because he don't know that where I want to keep the where he want to keep the bed. So he kept it folded and keep there. So वह पता लगाने गया कि उसे कहाँ रखना है. Then he went to ask where he want to keep his bed. लौटते समय उसने देखा कि गांधी खुद उसका बिस्तर कंधे पर उड़ाए रखने चले जा रहे. What happened when he returns from that? He went to ask somebody that where he want to keep the bed of him. So when he returned from there, he seeing that Gandhiji himself he is keeping his bed on his shoulder. Kande means shoulder. He's keeping that person's bed on his shoulder and he was going to keep somewhere. Next para. आश्रम के लिए बाहर बने कुएं, like that only Gandhiji. He never think that work is there, that person, so I should not do like that. He never think. He himself will do the others work also. Okay. Then आश्रम के लिए बाहर बने कुएं से पानी खींचने का काम वे रोज़ करते थे. For water he want to take from one well outside. So everyone want for the needs of the ashram, they want to get the water from the outside well. So this work also Gandhiji used to do. He will go near to the well and he will carry the water for the ashram. एक दिन गांधी कुछ अस्वस्थ थे. One day Gandhi was little unhealthy. अस्वस्थ means unhealthy. He was little unhealthy और चक्की पर आटा पीसने का काम में हिस्सा बंटा चुके थे. Because of unhealthiness, he has given that wheat preparing and all is there na, that everything he has given to another persons also. Like that he was unhealthy. उनके एक साथी ने उन्हें थकावट से बचाने के लिए अन्य आश्रमवासियों की सहायता से सभी बड़े बड़े बर्तनों में पानी भर डाला. For one friend was there, Gandhiji's one friend was there. He understood that Gandhi is tired. So for helping him, what he has done, he has called other ashramavasiyam, those who are there in the ashram, others and all. He called them and he kept. He told everyone to keep water in the big and small, all the vessels they have to keep water. So Gandhi won't go and get the water. So he with the help of others, that friend only has kept all the water. Gandhi को यह बात पसंद नहीं आई. Gandhi doesn't like this one because Gandhi is like that only. Gandhi's work Gandhi only will do. He never allow others to do his work. मन में कुछ ठेस भी लगी. ठेस भी लगी means hurt. It hurted him very in his. It hurted his mind. उन्होंने बच्चों के नहाने का एक डब्बा उड़ा लिया. Then what he is doing? He has taken one tub for of the kids. They will take shower ना. That tub he has taken and कुएं से उसमें पानी भरकर डब को सिर पर उठाकर आश्रम में ले आए. Then he filled water in that tub and from the well and he kept that tub on his head and he went to ashram. बेचारे कार्यकर्ता को बहुत पछतावा हुआ. By seeing that employee who is that he felt so sad that Gandhi is doing this and all work. So everyone became so regret. नेक्स्ट पेज. शरीर से जब तक बिल्कुल लाचारी न हो तब तक गांधी को यह बात बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी कि महात्मा या बूढ़े होने के कारण उनको अपने हिस्से का दैनिक शारीरिक श्रम न करना पड़े. मीन्स लाचारी मीन्स हेल्पलेसनेस. शारीरिक श्रम, फिजिकल effort. So Gandhi's thought is that शरीर से जब तक बिल्कुल लाचारी ना हो, if my body is very helpless till that it won't be helpless till that. गांधी को यह बात बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी कि महात्मा या बूढ़े होने के कारण, बिकॉज आई एम ए महात्मा, आई एम ए ग्रेट पर्सन, आई एम ए ओल्ड पर्सन, दैट रीजन शुड नॉट बी देयर. उनको अपने हिस्से का दैनिक मीन्स डेली those work he is doing, those physical effort he is doing daily, that he want to do. He never allow anyone to do like that. He is, if I am a great person or I am an old person, then even if I have energy in my body, I have to do that work. Like that Gandhi ji is thinking. उनमें हर प्रकार का काम करने की अद्भुत क्षमता और शक्ति है. he has an amazing क्षमता, amazing ability. उनमें हर प्रकार का काम करने की अद्भुत क्षमता और शक्ति है. ही हैज़ एन अमेजिंग एबिलिटी एंड ऑल्सो स्ट्रॉन्ग पावर इज देयर. वह थकान का नाम भी नहीं जानते थे. ही डोंट नो द नेम ऑफ इवन द टायर्डनेस. थकान मीन्स टायर्डनेस. He don't know the name of tiredness. He is like that only. He is very strong and he has an amazing ability. वह थकान का नाम भी नहीं जानते थे. दक्षिण अफ्रीका में बोर युद्ध के दौरान उन्होंने घायलों को स्ट्रेचर पर लादकर एक दिन में 25 मील तक ढोया था. दक्षिण अफ्रीका में बोर युद्ध के दौरान, when बोर युद्ध was happening on दक्षिण अफ्रीका in South Africa, what happened? उन्होंने घायलों को स्ट्रेचर पर लादकर, घायलों means wounded persons. Then that war time in Boer Yuddha means Boer war was there in Dakshin Africa. That time what happened means he loaded the wounded person on the stretcher and एक दिन में 25 मील तक दौड़ा था. He was carrying that person to 25 meals till nearly 25 meals he has taken that loaded person in the stretcher to the hospital. वह मीलों पैदल चल सकते थे. He can go on foot by miles and miles he can go. दक्षिण अफ्रीका में जब मैं टॉल्स्टॉय बाड़ी में रहते थे तब पास के शहर में कोई काम होने पर दिन में अक्सर 42 मील तक पैदल चलते थे. When he was in the in Dakshina, South Africa, when he was in the Tolstoy body, then one street only there when he was staying that time. पास के शहर में कोई काम होने पर, near to the town or some work will be there. What he will do ना, daily अक्सर 42 मील, 42 means 42 meals. 42 meals he used to walk on foot. Like that only he is very strong. He never hesitate to walk anywhere. So when he was in Tolstoy Bari, he was nearby a town, some work is there, means he will walk for 42 meals daily. इसके लिए वे घर में बना कुछ नाश्ता साथ लेकर सुबह 2 बजे ही निकल पड़ते थे. 42 meal he has to walk na. So what he will do, if any something nashta food will be there in the home, that food he will keep with him and he will move from the home by 2 o'clock. Early morning 2 o'clock he will move from the home. शहर में खरीदारी करते, then he will go to the town. खरीदारी means shopping. He will do shopping in the town और शाम होते वापस फार्म पर लौट आते थे. Then after finishing everything he will come to the home. By evening itself he will come to home. Isn't it? By finishing all the work, after shopping everything, he will return to home in the evening itself. So he will go by 2 o'clock in the early morning. So he can finish it by evening itself. उनके अन्य साथी भी उनके इस उदाहरण का खुशी खुशी अनुकरण करते थे. Another friends and all will be there, followers will be there. They will happily accept this one and they will imitate him very happily. एक बार किसी तालाब की फराई का काम चल रहा था. One day one pond, one stuffing work was happening. फराई means stuffing. Stuffing work was happening जिसमें गांधी के साथी लगे हुए थे. In that Gandhi's friends were also there. So एक सुबह काम ख़त्म करके वे लोग फावड़े, कुदाल और टोकरियाँ जिसमें गांधी के साथी लगे हुए थे. एक सुबह काम ख़त्म करके वे लोग फावड़े, कुदाल और टोकरियाँ लिए. जब वापस लौटे तो देखते हैं कि गांधी ने उनके लिए तश्तरिया में नाश्ते लिए फल आदि तैयार करके रखे हैं. मीन्स एक सुबह काम ख़त्म करके, आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द वर्क, one morning what that people will take the फावड़े means shovels, the tools and all they are using for this stuffing work, shovels. Then kudal means spade. Then tokriya means baskets. So these everything they will take and they will return to home. Means that time they are seeing that गांधी ने उनके लिए तश्तरियों तश्तरियों में नाश्ते के लिए फल आदि तैयार करके रखे हैं. When they will return after working, they have seen that Gandhiji is keeping all the fruits and all on the plates, and he will make it ready for these persons and all. Like that only he is very helping person. एक साथी ने पूछा, वन फ्रेंड इज आस्किंग, आपने हम लोगों के लिए यह सब कष्ट क्यों किया? Then he is asking this difficulty and all, why are you suffering for us and all? Why are you doing this and all for us? क्या यह उचित है कि हम आपसे सेवा कराएं? Is it good to see that you are working for us? You are helping for us. You are doing our work and all. That is it good? गांधी ने मुस्कुराकर उत्तर दिया. देन गांधी जी वॉज स्माइलिंग एंड टेलिंग द आंसर दैट क्यों नहीं, वाई नॉट. मैं जानता था कि तुम लोग थके मांदे लौटोगे. आई नो दैट यू विल रिटर्न बाय वेरी टायर्ड एंड ऑल. तुम्हारा नाश्ता तैयार करने के लिए मेरे पास खाली समय था. फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग फूड फॉर यू आई हैव more time, so that only I have done. Why not? I can't do anything. I am not a great person and you should not think about that. I know that you will be very tired, so I have more time, so I kept everything. Like that he is telling. दक्षिण अफ्रीका में रहने वाले भारतीयों के जाने माने नेता के रूप में गांधी भारतीय प्रवासियों की मांगों को ब्रिटिश सरकार के सामने रखने के लिए एक बार लंदन गए. One day Gandhiji is going to London. For what? He is going to say something for the Indian people. For some Indian people, something they want to get, so that to meet the British government, he is going to London. British Sarkar means government. is going to London. वहाँ उन्हें भारतीय छात्रों ने एक शाकाहारी फौज में निमंत्रित किया. There more Indian people will be there, isn't it? So some Indian students were there. They have called him for vegetarian food. Vegetarian party they have. They have called him for the vegetarian food. निमंत्रित किया, इन्वाइटेड हिम फॉर द वेजिटेरियन पार्टी। छात्रों ने इस अवसर के लिए स्वयं ही शाकाहारी भोजन तैयार करने का निश्चय किया था। For this function, that students themselves they thought that to prepare only vegetarian food. तीसरे पहर 2 बजे एक दुबला पतला और चरहरा आदमी आकर उनमें शामिल हो गया। Then they were preparing food ना, so in that one nearly 2 o'clock one तीसरे पहर means night, so 2 o'clock one दुबला पतला means lean और चरहरा that also slim, चरहरा slim person आकर उनमें शामिल हो गया। He also attended there. और तश्तरियाम धोने मीन्स वॉशिंग द वेसल्स, सब्जी साफ करने, वॉशिंग द वेजिटेबल्स और अन्य छूट बूट काम करने में। What and all left work, छूट बूट left, what and all the work it is left, that everything for helping that one slim and a very lean person came there. Who is that? बाद में छात्रों का नेता वहाँ आया तो then after that what happened, the leader of that student he is coming there and for checking whether the food has kept ready or like that. He is coming to the kitchen, he is seeing that, आया तो देखता है कि वह दुबला पतला आदमी और कोई नहीं, उस शाम को फौज में निमंत्रित उनके सम्मानित अतिथि गांधी थे। So who was that? That is not any other person. He is the guest of him. He is the guest of their evening. Mahatma Gandhi only, that one. So that person was Gandhiji only. गांधी दूसरों से काम लेने में बहुत सख्त थे। He was very strict to make others to work. सख्त means strict. He is very strict for making others to work, but लेकिन अपने लिए दूसरों से काम कराना उन्हें यहाँ पसंद है। But his work for him, if anyone is doing any work means he never like that one. So he will make others to do work and all, but he never allow them to do his work. Like that only he said. एक बार एक राजनीतिक सम्मेलन से गांधी जब अपने डेरे पर लौटा तो, राजनीतिक सम्मेलन मीन्स पॉलिटिकल कॉन्फ्रेंस। गांधी जब अपने डेरे मीन्स कैंप, डेरे पर लौटे तो रात हो गई थी। What happened when they returned to their when after one एक बार एक राजनीतिक सम्मेलन से after one political conference he was returning to his camp. It was very रात हो गई थी, it was night only. सोने से पहले वह अपने कमरे का फर्श बुहार रहे थे। फर्श बुहारना, फर्श means floor. You can see in the picture what he is doing, right? Floor buharna means sweeping. He was sweeping the floor. Before sleeping he used to sweep the floor. उस समय रात के 10 बजे थे. That was the time of 10 o'clock in the night. एक कार्यकर्ता ने दौड़कर गांधी के हाथ से बुहारा ले ली। Suddenly one employee came and he was taking that broom from the buhari means broom. Buharna brooming, buhari broom. Suddenly he was coming and catching that buhari from Gandhiji. जब गांधी, so everything whatever work he is having, everything he will only do. जब गांधी गांवों का दौरा कर रहे होते, when Gandhi was doing some tour, दौरा means tour in the village, उस समय रात को यदि लिखते समय लालटेन का तेल ख़त्म हो जाता हो तो वे चंद्रमा की रोशनी में ही पत्र पूरा कर लेना ज़्यादा पसंद करते थे। When he was in a tour in the village and all, in the night time and all, if he is sitting for writing something, if the lantern means lantern, that lantern is the lantern lamp, that one. So that lantern का तेल ख़त्म हो जाता है तो if the oil in that lantern if it is finishing means what he is doing, वे चंद्रमा की रोशनी में ही पत्र पूरा कर लेना ज़्यादा पसंद करते थे। He likes to finish the work by sitting under the light of the moon only. Then even लेकिन सोते हुए अपने किसी थके हुए साथी को नहीं जगाते थे। He never allow anyone to get up. He never call anyone to help him to put oil on that and all. If it is finishing, if the oil is finishing in the lantern, means he used to go outside and by using the light of the moon, he used to finish the writings and all. लेकिन नवखाली पदयात्रा के समय गांधी ने नवखाली पदयात्रा means also tour only. इन वन नवखाली टूर के समय गांधी ने अपने शिविर में केवल 2 आदमियों को ही रहने की अनुमति दी. शिविर also camp, Daddy also camp में 2 he when he was in the tour of in Navakali, that time he allows only 2 persons in his camp. He allows only 2 persons to be with him. इन दोनों को यह नहीं मालूम था कि खाखरा कैसे बना जाता है. खागरा वन डिश इज देयर. दे डोंट नो दैट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दैट खागरा. सो इस पर गांधी स्वयं रसोई में जा बैठे. देन दिस टाइम गांधी हिमसेल्फ ही वेंट टू द किचन एंड ही सैट देयर. एंड निपुण रसोई के तरफ वेल लर्नड किचन कुक लाइक दैट ही थॉट एंड उन्होंने खाखरा बनाने की विधि बताई. He told all the recipes of this खागरा. उस समय गांधी की अवस्था 78 वर्ष की थी. That time what was the age of him? 78 means 78. See, in these 78 years also he is doing his own work by himself. How nice it is, right? No one can be like this. So 78 years he was going and sitting in the kitchen, and he was himself explaining about the khagra, how to cook that one, and what was the age of him. 78 years, isn't it? Very nice information we are getting from this lesson. This is not finishing now. More is there. 2 more pages is there. If I am taking fully, means it will be difficult for you. This much is knowledge we are getting. Please revise, recall everything and read the lesson. Okay ma, read the lesson properly, read it. Okay, read everything and understand whatever Gandhiji is doing and try to follow whatever he is doing. That is very good. Whatever work we have to do ourselves. We should not allow our others to do our work. That is only good manner, good behavior. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.